Hey, so in this video, I'm going to break down the new stimulus package that features $2,000 in monthly payments to every qualifying American over the age 16. Now don't get too excited, this is just a bill.
I'm just a bill, yes, I'm only a bill, and I'm sitting here on Capitol Hill.
It's called the Emergency Money for the People Act. What a creative name. Again, I don't know if this is really going to pass. I don't want to get your hopes up. I just wanted to create a nice, clean, informative video that's short, sweet, and to the point. Because this new stimulus package could potentially benefit over 200 million Americans. If you're interested in online business, personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button to stimulate the YouTube algorithm. Also, please leave a comment if you have any questions about this new bill, and I will do my best to give you a quick answer. So let's just get started. Now, this bill was introduced by two representatives who believe that the original $1,200 stimulus checks were simply not enough money. Which I agree with. $1,200 won't cover rent in many areas. Clearly, this extra money is needed during this time of uncertainty. This bill proposes $2,000 in monthly payments to every qualifying American over the age 16 for at least 6 months. Now, who qualifies? You have to be a citizen or a resident to be eligible. Anyone who is at least 16 as of January 1st, 2020, with individual income under $130,000, or if you're married, the income limit is $260,000. You're also eligible if you're unemployed. And here is what you get depending on your situation. $2,000 a month per person, or $4,000 a month per couple if you're filed jointly. $500 extra for 1 to 2 children, or $1,500 extra for 3 or more children. So for example, if you have a family with 3 children, your total could be up to $5,500 per month. If this bill passes, you will get this amount guaranteed for at least 6 months. It might renew for another 6 months, depending on where the unemployment numbers are. The goal is ultimately to get the unemployment numbers down to where they were before the crisis occurred. The IRS will be using 2019 tax returns to determine eligibility. If you have not filed your 2019 tax returns yet, then they'll use your 2018 tax returns. Good news, dependents, including college students and individuals with disabilities who are claimed as dependents, will benefit from this stimulus money. This is unlike in the CARES Act, where there was a loophole and they were kind of left out, which I thought was pretty unfair, so I'm glad to see that this could potentially get those people money as well. Payments may come from direct deposits and checks, but they have also proposed payments being processed in other ways, including prepaid debit cards, Venmo, Zelle, and PayPal. This is interesting. I think it could definitely help people get their funds easier. Now again, at the making of this video, this is a bill. It still has to pass the House, it has to pass the Senate, and it has to get a signature from the President. There is going to be some debate on this because it is going to add $4 trillion to the debt if it passes as proposed. In my personal opinion, I'm not sure if this is going to pass exactly as proposed. I'm not sure if $2,000 per person per month, if that's really realistic, if that's really going to happen. I think something like this will happen. I know that officials want to get money in the hands of Americans, so we'll just have to wait and see. If you found any value from this video, don't forget to hit the like. I really appreciate all the support. If you're interested in online business, personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every single week. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I will do my best to provide an accurate answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.